How about these two? It can't be right. I told you that this is one big club and you are not a part of it. Here's McG with the Masonic penalty sign, and here Sol Penduga with the sign of the devil horns, done with precise intent. How about the time this podcast had the Masonic checkered floor for one episode, and then 4 episodes later, separated by 3 6s, which is numerology I won't get into yet.
Hello, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Salo. Please don't forget to subscribe, to comment, to like, and of course to do subscribe to this video, you guys. So this guy on TikTok, I'm sure by now we all know him. His user is no free Masons. He talks a lot regarding the Freemasons, the underground world, the Illuminati. Basically, most of his videos are based on that, you guys. He has done a lot of videos, of course, accusing celebrities of joining that kind of kingdom, you guys. And in this video, which I'm about to insert, he talks about, of course, podcasting Charles McG and Usul Penduka, and he indicates the signs that they are doing unaware so or aware so. That is not, he's not sure if they are aware of what they are doing, but according to him, those signs are definitely a signs of a Freemason. He says that they, have basically joined the Freemason. You guys, not only does he says Umegji and Usol Penduka, he went as far as, of course, accusing Uswu from that other podcast. Yeah, I think his name is U, right? From that other podcast from Piano Pulse, right? The shirt that he's wearing. And this guy says that it has those symbols of the Freemason, you guys. And he also, not only him, I think I have seen a lot of videos whereby they're talking about a lot of people doing things and unaware of what they're doing, the clothing that they are wearing, unaware that they are wearing those clothing, or the poses that they do on their videos or their pictures. Those are some of the most dangerous signs that a lot of people, they do unaware so, and they find themselves joining these entities. What do you guys think regarding no Freemason is saying in the video? Please do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below, and of course do like, comment and share it so that you do not have to miss out whenever we try to upload a new video. Please watch the rest of the video.
And the vow of silence that represents the Masonic oath that Sfiso has taken to join the secret society. I've already proven to you that Mpho Pops is a Freemason, and now here he is doing the sign of the devil horns. Here, Tsitsi with the vow of silence, the devil horns, and the Masonic penalty sign accompanied by the vow of silence. And now for the cherry on top, here on the PNC skits whatnot, the sign of the devil horns right in front of your faces, because to them you are vulgar and profane, meaning that you are ignorant and stupid compared to them. After the great flood, God put a rainbow in the sky as a covenant that he will never flood the earth ever again. The earth was flooded because the sons of God, who are angels, the children of heaven, saw and lusted after the daughters of men because they were beautiful. And they took wives for themselves, all whom they chose. The angels of God said to one another, "Come, let us choose wives from among the children of men and beget us children." They were in all 200 who descended. Behold, proof, there are 200 impact craters on Earth. There are 200 countries in the world. There are 200 seats in the Palace of Peace and Reconciliation in the Pyramid in Kazakhstan. This is undeniable proof, if you have the eyes to see. These 200 left the high, holy, and eternal heaven to lay with women. They defiled themselves with the daughters of men and took unto themselves wives. They begot giants. Though they were holy, spiritual, and living the eternal life, they defiled themselves with the blood of women. And now the giants who were produced from spirits and flesh are evil spirits upon the earth, and the earth is their dwelling place. The 200 fallen have been in heaven, but all mysteries had not been revealed to them, and they knew the worthless ones. And these, in the hardness of their hearts, they taught women. And through these mysteries, women and men worked much evil on earth. Do you honestly think man looked at this and thought to himself, let me make Wi-Fi? The 200 fallen taught men to make swords, knives, breastplates, shields, and made known to them the metals of the earth and the art of working them. They taught men how to make bracelets and ornaments and the use of antimony and the beautifying of the eyelids, and taught men all kinds of costly stone and all coloring tinctures. There arose much godlessness. They committed fornication and they were led astray and became corrupt in all their ways. Enchantments, root cuttings, the resolving of enchantments, astrology, the constellations, the knowledge of the clouds, the signs of the earth, the course of the moon. All these things were taught by the 200 fallen who left their heavenly bodies to come and defile themselves with the daughters of men. As men perished, they cried, and their cry went up to heaven. So the Lord said, I will destroy men whom I have created from the earth, both man and beast, creeping thing and bird of the air. But Noah found grace in the eyes of the Lord. I trust we are all familiar with what happened next. At the end of it all, after the flood waters had receded, Noah built an altar to the Lord and offered burnt offerings, which were a soothing aroma to the Lord. And the new covenant was established, symbolized by the rainbow. Do you now understand why the rainbow is sacred? And now the rainbow has been perverted to mock and provoke God. There was absolutely no need for the use of the rainbow to symbolize this abomination. Notice how almost 100% of people who stand for this are haters of God. Behold, the way they perverted the rainbow is the same way they are perverting the color purple. This is a movement against man formed for two reasons. 1, further division. 2, to bring to life the scarlet harlot. And if you beg to differ, ask yourself, why did they ask haters of God to stand with them in this movement? Why did they ask the LGBT community to stand with the purple movement? The alphabet community to stand with another alphabet community, LGB, GBV, and then it turned to LGBT, GBVF, LGBTQ. What's next? GBVFI, LGBTQIA+, GBVFINCR. You have to wake up. Even these demon emojis are purple. No movement formed by an ordinary person ever gets this big. Haec est vera revolutio. The only thing the purple movement is doing is bringing to life the scarlet harlot. You marching against men is in vain. Like the alcohol you drink and the weed you smoke, evil men and women have been here since the beginning of time. You found them here, and you will leave them here. The true perpetrators are your royal families, your presidents, your politicians, your religious leaders, your high-ranking law enforcers, your entrepreneurs, and your entertainers.
There are priests that fuck little boys, Catholic priests. There are people that kill little babies and take their organs or their blood or their sweat and drink it. There are people that eat human flesh because they think what's going on. I never wanted to be in this club where you join something, you make a deal with the devil, you sell your fucking soul, and then you have to hide for the rest of your life. I'm not playing this game.
This organization uses black women as faces of this movement, solemnly to manipulate your emotions. Behold, we have been once more further divided. All those of you who stand with Christ, put this next to your name in all your social media as a symbol and loud proclamation of being a sheep in Jesus Christ's pasture. Now let us see if you are able to keep the same energy for Jesus Christ, the Lord your God. Are you a sheep or are you a goat?